Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rolls from Pati. First, gather your ingredients, including flour, yeast, sugar, salt, warm water, and a touch of oil. Ensure your workspace is clean and ready for dough preparation. We'll cover everything from mixing to baking, ensuring your homemade rolls are a delightful success. Get ready to create some wonderful, soft rolls that everyone will love. Let's start by preparing our dough. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, flour, yeast, sugar, and salt. Next, gradually add warm water and a little oil, mixing until a soft dough forms. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, place it in a greased bowl cover and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 hour. Now it's time to shape our rolls. Gently punch down the risen dough and divide it into equal portions, each weighing approximately 2 ounces. Take each portion and roll it into a smooth ball or any other shape you prefer. Arrange your shaped rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring there's some space between them. Cover them lightly and let them rise for another 30 minutes. Finally, let's bake these delicious rolls. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place your baking sheet in the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. For an extra touch, brush them with melted butter immediately after they come out of the oven. Serve them warm and enjoy your perfectly homemade Pati rolls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.